Are you looking for the best portable plasma cutter? In this video we will look at some of the best portable plasma cutter on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KEMAO KCut CNC Plasma Cutting Machine. The KEMAO KCut CNC Plasma Cutting Machine, particularly the KCut 120M120A model, is a high-performance tool designed for precision and efficiency in metal cutting. With its CNC, computer numerical control, capability, this machine brings a level of automation to the cutting process, allowing for accurate and intricate designs. The KCut 120M comes equipped with a fine plasma cutting torch, showcasing its versatility in handling various cutting tasks with finesse. The 120A power ensures that it can handle a range of materials and thicknesses, making it suitable for a diverse set of applications. The machine is likely to be appreciated by professionals and hobbyists alike, offering a reliable and advanced solution for those seeking quality and precision in their metal cutting projects. Its CNC functionality not only enhances accuracy but also contributes to increased productivity, making it a valuable asset in metal fabrication and related industries. Number 2. Plasmargon PLC 55 Plasma Cutter. The Plasmargon PLC 55 Plasma Cutter is a versatile cutting machine designed to make precise and clean cuts in various materials. Operating on IGBT technology, this cutter boasts a power capacity of 55 amps, making it suitable for a range of cutting tasks. Its 220V power input with a tolerance of N/15% ensures stability during operation. One of its notable features is the 14mm clean cut capability, highlighting its efficiency in slicing through materials with precision. The use of high-frequency HF inverter technology enhances the overall performance of the cutter, providing a reliable and consistent cutting experience. This plasma cutter is likely to be a valuable tool for users in metalworking or fabrication, where precision and clean cuts are essential. Its design and specifications suggest a focus on user-friendly operation while delivering professional results. Whether you're working on hobbyist projects or industrial applications, the Plasmargon PLC 55 Plasma Cutter appears to be a reliable choice for efficient air plasma cutting. Number 3. Andeli KCut 50Y PROX Plasma Cutter. The Andeli KCut 50Y PROX Plasma Cutter is a robust cutting machine designed to make metal cutting a breeze. Operating on a 220V power supply, this cutter comes equipped with a built-in air pump, ensuring a steady and efficient flow for plasma cutting. The HF Pilot Arc feature adds a layer of convenience by enabling non-contact metal cutting, reducing wear and tear on consumables. The PROX in its name might be indicative of professional-grade performance, suggesting that this plasma cutter is well suited for various applications that demand precision and reliability. Whether you're working on DIY projects or professional metalworking tasks, the Andeli KCut 50Y PROX aims to deliver a seamless cutting experience. The inclusion of a Pilot Arc system further enhances its versatility, allowing it to cut through painted or rusty surfaces with ease. This feature minimizes the need for surface preparation, saving time and effort. Number 4. Plasmargon CT418 Plasma Cutter. Both the Andeli KCut 50Y PROX and the Plasmargon CT418 seem like impressive tools for metalworking. The Andeli KCut 50Y PROX boasts a 220V plasma cutter with a built-in air pump and HF Pilot Arc, offering a non-contact metal plasma cutting experience. This feature set suggests precise and efficient cutting capabilities. On the other hand, the Plasmargon CT418 is a versatile 4-in-1 machine, integrating MMA, TIG, pulse spot welding, and CNC plasma cutting functionalities. This suggests a multifaceted tool suitable for various metalworking applications. Both machines appear to cater to different needs, whether you prioritize precision cutting with the Andeli model or seek versatility with the Plasmargon CT418. Either way, it's great to see technology evolving to offer more options for metalworkers. Number 5. Hitbox HBC 5500 Plasma Cutter. The Hitbox HBC 5500 Plasma Cutter is a powerful cutting machine designed for precision and efficiency in metal fabrication. Operating at 55 amps, it's well equipped to handle cutting tasks on various materials, including metal, carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. With a cutting capacity of up to 16 mm, it offers versatility for different applications. One notable feature of the HBC 5500 is its capability to tackle a range of materials, making it suitable for diverse projects. Whether you're working with carbon steel, stainless steel, or aluminum, this Plasmar cutter is designed to deliver clean and precise cuts. The machine's robust performance is complemented by its durable construction and advanced technology. The inclusion of an air pump ensures a non-contact cutting process, while the HF Pilot Arc adds efficiency to the operation. These features contribute to a smoother cutting experience, reducing the need for frequent interruptions or adjustments.